Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about CRUD API using the SurrealDB with Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So to start the SurrealDB, so first of all you have to start with the username and the password with the root memory. Okay, so it will start the SurrealDB, then we can use the operations like CRUD. First of all, for the Node.js, you have to create the SurrealDB CRUD. Then go to the directory, initialize with package.json file, then install the Express body parser. And for the SurrealDB, you have to install npm install save SurrealDB node. Okay. After this installation, let's move to the steps. So first of all, db.js, app.js, routes, and the user routes.js. So these are the files that we have to create here. db.js file. So for the db.js file, we have to import the Surreal from the SurrealDB. Okay, we have to create the instance, then connect to the DB with our namespace, database, and authentication with username and the password. The username and the password will come up from here, the user and the password that you have started. Okay. After this connection part, you have to export the DB and the connected DB. Okay. Then go to the app.js file, main entry point. Okay, so we have to import the express body parser, import the db.js and the user routes. So it should be in the routes. Then express body parser, API endpoint, and the user routes. Get, you can skip this one. Okay, then we have to connect to db. So when I will run this file, then it will connect to the db first, then listen to that port. Okay, then server started. Okay, then call this function start, otherwise you can make out of it also. Okay, so this is done, db.js is done. Then the user routes, so here we have the all the routes. Okay, so express db, and for record id we have to go with SurrealDB. Okay, so first of all we are going to create the user, db.create user and the request body. Go to the postman, and here we have the post request with body. Okay, so I'm going to add here test 5067 and send it. So test 5067, now I'm going to get a request with this, and test 5067 is where top of it, it is created. Okay, so the create part, like db.create user, you have to send the request body. So here we have the request body with name, email, and the age. Send it, and here you can see that the record is inserted in the get listing. You will get that one. Okay, so the get part, get all users, only db.select, and the table name, that is user. Okay, this is also the table name, right? After that we go with the get by id. So like suppose I want to fetch the id, right? So here this is not, I'm not making it dynamic. So but let's make it like currently, let's make it like this. Okay, so this is the id. Okay, I'm going to put the id over here, and let's try to save it and run it to fetch the record. Okay, so here we have the get request with id. If I'm going to put it over here and then make it a get request, and this is the id, that is test 5067 is get by this. Okay, so for this what we have to do, the new record id that I have to use, then select that record. If there is a no length, then user not found. If it is a length, then return that result. Got it? Next, update. Here also we need the id, so here I have just split it out. So in the id you can just put all the keys, then it will split it out with, and automatically it will move the table and the record id separately, and whatever data you are going to send, it will update. Okay, let's take a look. So here we have the update, and this id I want to update. Okay, or the full-fledged, I'm going to take it like this. Okay, and here I'm going to make it like this. um so I want to make full record updation like this. Okay, and make it like 39. Save it. So it's updated. Let's take a look with get API and what the record is updated over here. And here you can see that the Raj is updated and the age is 39 with this record ID. Okay, so if I go with the get one, I need to just remove it. Top of it, you will see that it's changes. Okay, so this is how you can do the updation part like this. Okay, very easy. Okay, after I'll explain you also. I'm going to get the requested params ID because there is a single quote also. Okay, so here you can see, here you can see there's a I don't the like user colon. So we have a colon, right? So for that one, I'm going to use this. I'm going to split it, table and the record ID. While I'm doing the update, I'll split the table and the record ID. So you need to pass the table, record ID, and then the whatever the request body. If the data is not there, then the user not found. If the data is there, it will return a record and you will show it. That's it. In the catch, you will throw that error. Now, delete a record. Okay. Maybe I'm not sure this will work like this. Maybe, yeah, let's take a try because delete, make it a delete request and this would be the ID. Let's try to make it. It's showing the empty result, but I don't think so. It is deleted. Get. Oh, sorry, it's not all the records. I'm going to get it. So get all users. Three users are already there. So delete part is not working. So we need to work around this. I think we should go with this record ID because I'm going to go with a specific one, right? So let's do the same thing. Like, okay, let's go to the documentation part. Go to the SDK, Node.js, and here I think we have a data manipulation, and here we have delete. Okay, so delete new record like this. Okay, let's do it this one this way. Okay, await db delete. User we have, you can make it dynamic like the before I did. Okay, and here I'm going to make this record to be deleted. M's right. After this, pack it with the result. Okay, and then delete this one and it will give you the result. Let's take a look and control C, enter, and let's go with the delete part over there. This is the IDMC and I'm going to change it with route and make a delete. Oh, wonderful, it's deleted. Let's take a look with the get request and let's confirm this users, and there should be two records and that record is deleted. Okay, that is MC1, so it's not there. Okay, so successfully we have deleted. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. Have a great day.